Mount Everest, the tallest peak on Earth, has stood as a symbol of human ambition, endurance, and the unyielding spirit of exploration for centuries. However, this global icon, often revered as the roof of the world, is now grappling with an environmental crisis of staggering proportions. Once a pristine and sacred natural wonder, Mount Everest is slowly transforming into a massive garbage dump, tarnished by decades of unchecked human activity, relentless tourism, and inadequate waste management. The environmental degradation of Mount Everest stems largely from the exponential growth of high-altitude expeditions over recent decades. Each year, thousands of climbers, trekkers, and guides flock to the mountain, bringing with them an arsenal of life-supporting equipment, including tents, ropes, portable gas stoves, ladders, tins, and cans. Tragically, much of this material is abandoned on the mountain, either intentionally or due to the sheer difficulty of carrying it back down. Over time, this has resulted in the accumulation of approximately 30 tons of garbage on Everest's slopes and base camps. In addition to the visible waste, Everest now faces the invisible menace of microplastic pollution. An assessment conducted in April and May 2019 on snow and stream water samples revealed that microplastics are omnipresent in the Everest region, including its base camp. The study found microplastics in 53 out of 56 snow samples, with polyester accounting for 56% of the detected polymers, followed by acrylic at 31%, nylon at 9%, and polypropylene at 5%. These microplastics are directly linked to fibers from outdoor clothing and equipment used by climbers and trekkers. The presence of these pollutants, even in one of the world's most remote and inhospitable locations, underscores the far-reaching impact of human activity. The problem is compounded by the accumulation of human waste. Many climbers bury their waste in shallow pits or leave it exposed, assuming that nature will decompose it. However, Everest's extreme climate, characterized by sub-zero temperatures and low oxygen levels, means that organic and biodegradable materials decompose at an incredibly slow pace, if at all. Over the years, these practices have turned Everest into an ecological disaster zone that threatens not only the environment but also the health of surrounding communities. The environmental impact of this pollution extends far beyond Everest's slopes. Glacial meltwater from the Himalayas, including Everest, is a vital resource for millions of people across South Asia. Waste leaching into these water systems pollutes rivers and streams, endangering water security and public health in the region. Moreover, the sight of garbage-strewn trails and polluted camps tarnishes the awe-inspiring beauty of Everest, eroding its cultural and spiritual significance for local Sherpa communities and the global mountaineering community. Efforts to address this crisis have been made. The Nepalese government has introduced rules requiring climbers to bring down a minimum of 8 kilograms of waste, or risk losing their deposits. Non-profit organizations, local Sherpas, and environmental groups have launched cleanup campaigns, with teams retrieving tons of garbage each year. Despite these commendable efforts, the scale of the problem remains daunting. Enforcement of regulations is inconsistent, and waste management logistics in such harsh and remote environments are extraordinarily challenging. To save Mount Everest, a more comprehensive and sustainable approach is urgently required. First, stricter enforcement of waste removal protocols must be implemented, with heavier penalties for violators. Eco-friendly practices such as the use of biodegradable equipment and sustainable waste disposal methods should be incentivized. Second, Significant investment is needed to establish permanent waste collection and processing facilities at base camps and along key climbing routes. Third, international cooperation is essential as climbers from all over the world contribute to this crisis. A global fund for Himalayan conservation could support waste management, restoration efforts, and the livelihoods of local communities. Education and awareness also play a critical role in combating this crisis. Climbers and tourists must be educated about the environmental impact of their actions and adopt a leave-no-trace philosophy, highlighting the sacrifices and contributions of Sherpas who bear the brunt of both the physical and environmental burden of these expeditions can foster a sense of responsibility among visitors. Mount Everest is more than just a mountain. It is a global treasure and a testament to the beauty and resilience of our planet. Its degradation into a garbage dump is a stark reminder of humanity's capacity for destruction, but it also presents an opportunity for redemption. By addressing visible waste and tackling the insidious spread of microplastics, we can restore Everest to its pristine glory. Saving Everest is not merely an environmental imperative. It is a moral obligation, a chance to honor the legacy of those who have climbed its heights, and a commitment to preserving one of Earth's most extraordinary wonders for future generations.